Uh-oh. Hey! I saw you from my Zumba class. So, lovely place you got here. I'm gonna cut myself down now. And I'm gonna grab my pack, and then I'm gonna run. Please don't interrupt me. Alright. I'm down. I got my pack. You think you can catch me? I... Boing. Boing. I gotta make sure it freaking saves this. How do I save? I don't want to lose this. They're gonna take it away from me. No, I can't search their base. I have to get out of here. Lady. No. Oh yeah, you can't catch me. I'm on my little bike. I don't even know what this is, but this is so cool. Oh my god, I was given this little, like...
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not.
Don't fall off of it. Can I put it up? Oh no, I can only put it down. Okay. So I need to find somewhere I can happily... Oh! No! Intellect has gotten me to the other side of the river. I thought that was Meridia's beacon. Mushrooms. See, it's why I don't vibe with this area, is because it's right near a nice water source, but the issue being, whatever. Let's ride. This is just so horrifying. Me flying through. Oh, get out, get out, get out, get out. Hey guy, bye guy. Drive. I'm gonna be horrified if I turn around and they're still like right there. Oing. Oh, a boat. What am I doing? Yep, okay. So I figured what I can do is get a small place kind of built going here. Figured it'd be a pretty good idea considering, you know, they'd have to come through all the water to get to me. I feel like I'd have time to see them coming. Yeah. Gonna whack the tree. I like to whack a tree. Whack a tree. You like to whack a tree. Hooray! B. Alright. Go ahead and save over that. Go back to my boat now that it's morning time. And I don't exactly have to worry about them crossing the water. They can climb trees, but I'm sure they can't climb water. Climb water? Mm-hmm. Yeah. Climb water. Yeah, purple flirt. That's what I'm talking about. There we are. And then, okay, we're good on all that. Kind of. Alright, Skyrim method. Jump up the mountain. Jump up the mountain. Okay, got it. So it will just prevent you from jumping off. It's probably smart, honestly, for people like me. Okay. Beans. When you hit a giant stone and you're just like, oh boy. I know this is gonna sound really mean, but I'm having a hard time trusting anybody I see on these islands anymore. I guess, however, they did give me a super cool little, like, fun thing to ride on. Never seen one of these before in a game. Well, I've seen things like it, but like, come on. This is kind of cool. Fuck yeah. Oh yeah, forgot. This is jump with jump. should I switch in mode? There we are. Okay, small wrap is what I want. I don't think I have tape. I hope I have tape. Oop, 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 oop. Alrighty. I'm gonna go see if I can finish getting the raft out there and going rescuing out who's ever in the ocean. I'm sure they're fine. I'm sure they're grand. They gotta be good, right? The ocean. If you're not safe in the ocean, where are you safe? Please fall. I buried this much. I just me no make words right. This tree make angry. Big fall. Jesus Christ. See, now we're chopping. Now we're logging. Now we're driving a Ford F-250. I just overhead swung at that tree with an axe and it did wonders. Ah, beans. There we go. Kaboom! Kaboom! Kaboom. Is that a shovel? Do I have a shovel? I do not believe I do. What's in the skin pouch? Do I want to know? I really don't. Hey, top, pennies, and coins. Oh, it marks it on it for me. Too bad I'm still blind. Hey, buddy. Get logs and drop here. Easy, simple, great guy, perfect soldier. Him go. Yes. Oh, go on. Go get logs. Okay, I guess I gotta go get the logs. I asked too much. I said, excuse me, kind sir, will you go get me logs? And he said, cool, all my logs ended over here. I hate you. I hate you so much. Oh god, I asked you to do me one simple favor. Get logs right here. Oh fuck. Why am I terrible at this? Terrible. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh boy. Did not enjoy that. Did not enjoy that at all. Well, I know where turtles are. Oh. Oh no. Hurt. Yeah, point at him. Yep. I get it. Point at him. I'm not proud of this. But I hung you. Hurt. Come back here, seagull. Yeah. All I want to do is throw a log into a seagull. Rop. Hup. Alright. Time to go rescue and the rest of the Now, team. They're in that little purple thing out there. That's not purple. That's like salmon. Got anybody in your life that calls it salmon? Lose them. Ah, I made it. Beautiful signs. Birds, red pin. Hoo-hoo. How you doing, fella? You are doing terrible. Oh! A gun! Gun beats scary thing in the woods any day. Yep, and I wasted an ammo shooting a bird. And I missed. Toothpaste, I'll eat it.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
Okay, yeah, I'm gonna stop wasting ammo on birds when I can't even shoot. Can't aim. Back to shore I go. I will be definitely building a base somewhere close to a wall or a cliff due to the fact that I want to be able to reduce the amount of areas these people can come banging at my door, and that's one of the things I remember is that no matter the kind of defenses you set up, they just jump over and be like, well, you were sleeping and I don't care about stuff when you're sleeping. I wonder how Blue is doing. Mans has been running up and down. He's been looking for me. It's gonna be probably the last little 10-minute installment that I'm doing. See, I have a gun. Command respect. Put that away before I lose it. Alright. Find somewhere nice. Doesn't look nice. And booyah! Let's go get this fellow over here. I think I can do one more before I have to go. See, this right here is easier to do than the golf cart. I say that as I just topple and roll 20 feet. It's great. It's fine. This thing's amazing regardless. I don't care how many times I wreck. Oh god! I just ran right face first and I'm like, oh hey buddy! Can I load that one? Okay, I can't. I was about to say, did I do a match like that? Realistically, I need to do a lot better on looking where I'm going on the very fast little bike thing. That means I'm gonna do all that building again. Alright, well, on that note, I think I'm gonna end the recording. I will, attempt next time to actually get a base built. I was almost able to get, you know, all the B team areas finished. Obviously I ran into some problems, one of those being a guy in face paint. I guess I was at a Lollapalooza festival? No? No. Yeah, you can tell I don't go out to those things. Ching, ching, ching. Yeah. Anywho's, wasn't a bad game. It was fantastic. Thanks for stopping by, watching the video. If you made it this far, if you liked it, leave a like, subscribe, and until next time, keep it kooky.